Alright guys, today we're going to be solving some real world problems with whole number operations, but before we get started we're going to review our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with whole numbers. We're going to start with addition. I'm going to take 84,572 plus 79,893. 3 plus 2 is 5, 9 plus 7 is 16, 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14, and 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Subtraction, 1,000 minus 874. Now be careful with all of these zeros. 0 minus 4 cannot be completed with our whole numbers, so we need to regroup. But if you look, we have to go all the way to the thousands place to regroup. Then we're going to pass it back. He's a 10, now he's a 9. Finally, we have 10 ones. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. 126. Let's do some multiplication and division. We have 98 times 67. 7 times 8 is 56, carry my 5. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 5 is going to give us 68. I'm done with the 7, placeholder 0, because that 6 is really 60. I'm going to erase what I carried so I don't confuse myself. 6 times 8 is 48, carry the 4. 6 times 9 is going to give me 54, plus 4 is 58. 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 8 is 16, carry my 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry my 1, and 5 plus 1 is 6. 6,566. Division. I'm going to take 1,863, remember first number goes inside, divided by 9. Use my skip count strategy. Nine, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. Alright. If I have 1, I can't get a group of 9, so I have to go to 18, which is 2 groups. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract. Bring down. Now, when I bring down, I have a 6. If I have 6, I cannot get a group of 9. So if you cannot get a group, you need to make sure you put that 0 in your quotient. 0 times 9 is 0. Subtract. Bring down. If I have 63, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. 207. Now, if you need to pause the video and go back, pause and go back and look at all of those operations. Feel free. Work at your own pace. Alright, first real world problem. A summer camp wants to buy 3,384 popsicles. If there are 8 popsicles in a box, how many boxes of popsicles will they need to purchase? So, who or what is this problem about? Well, summer camp. What are they doing? Well, they're getting some popsicles. What do we know about the popsicles? Well, we know they want to buy 3,384. And we know there's 8 per box. So we need to answer the question, how many boxes will they need? So if they want to buy 3,384 individual popsicles, and you can only get 8 in a box, we need to figure out how many boxes. So we need to take what they want divided by how many are in a box, which is 8, to figure out how many boxes they need. Skip count strategy. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, scroll up a little bit, 64, 72. Alright, if I have 3, I can't get a group of 8, so I go to 33, which means I can get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 4 times 8 is 32. Bring down my 8. If I have 18, I can get 1, 2 groups. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, bring down. If I have 24, I can get 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 times 8 is 24. So they need 423 boxes. So explanation time. I divided 3,000, double check my numbers, 384 popsicles by 8 popsicles per box because I needed to know how many boxes of popsicles they needed. This told me they needed, double check my answer, 423. 423 boxes. So there we go. Alright, next one. It is well known that Anita won an award for her 88 popular songs. What is less well known, however, is that she wrote a total of 696 songs in her career. How many songs did Anita write that were not popular? So who or what is this problem about? Anita. What is she doing? Well, she's winning awards for her songs. What do we know about her songs? Well, she had 88 popular. She had a total of 696. And we have to answer how many songs did she write that were not popular. So she has a total of 696 and 88 were popular. If we take away those 88 from the total, we should be left with what were not popular. 6 minus 8, I'm going to have to borrow and regroup. So I'm going to regroup that 10. Take 1 away, so now I have 16 minus 8, which is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, and then 6 minus nothing is 6. So she had 608 songs that were not popular. Explanation. I subtracted 696 total songs minus 88 popular songs because I needed to know which songs, actually not which, how many songs, let's make that a little cleaner, how many songs were not popular. This told me Anita had 608 unpopular songs. Alright, so there's that one, guys. Let's go to the last one. There are 9 students in the school's writing club. Last year, each student in the club wrote 37 stories. How many stories were written in all? So who or what are we talking about? The writing club. What do we know about the writing club? Well, we know the writing club had 9 students. And we know they each wrote 37 stories. And I have to answer the question, how many stories were written in all? So if each student wrote 37, so here's a student, here's a student, here's a student. Get the idea, right? I'm going to have 9 of these. So instead of doing repeat addition like that, we're going to multiply 37 times 9. Okay, 9 times 7 is going to give me 63. Let's put my 3 down, carry my 6. And 9 times 3 is 27, plus 3 is going to give me 33. So 333 stories were written in all. And what did I do? I multiplied 37 stories by 9 students because I needed to know how many total stories were written. This told me 333 stories were written. Alright guys, you're going to do a few of these on your own. Here's that last one, if you need to take a look at it again. Be sure to show all of your work and do your explanations like we've been working on all year. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. Send an email, send a Canvas message, whatever works for you, and I will be sure